guys, it's Sam. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a spring room tour for 2021. As you guys know, I just redid my whole entire room, and if you guys want to go watch that video, I'll have it linked down below. I'm finally getting around to filming my spring room tour, and I am just about to leave New Jersey for a little bit, so I thought it would be a good idea to film this before actually going. With all that being said, if you guys like the video, please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content from me. And with all that being said, leave me a comment down below because I do answer every single comment, and let's get into the video. So as most of my room tours start, I am going to start with giving you guys a quick little overview of my whole entire room. Also, everything I can find that is in my room, I will have linked down below for you guys if you guys do want to shop it. So starting over here, I have my TV, which I use just to watch Netflix and everything like that. And coming down here, I have my little dresser. To be honest, I have no idea where this is from. On top of my dresser, I have this really cute candle. This candle is a Christmas candle. It is called Spiced Gingerbread, and one of my friends, Gabby, got me this, and it smells so good, so I refuse to put it away. Then over here, I have my little perfume. This is my Dream Angel perfume from Victoria's Secret. I highly recommend it. I literally love it so much. Then over here, I have my little cable box and my LED remote on top, just because I like to keep it there. I don't really know why, but I think it looks fine. And then I have another candle over here. This candle is the Cashmere Cinnamon candle. It's kind of like a Christmas candle, but I really like how it smells as well. And that is from Bath & Body Works, I believe. Then coming over here, I have all my drawers. So in this one, I have my workout clothes. So this is like my sweatpants and my leggings. They're just in the wash right now. Then over here I have, I don't really know what this drawer is. I guess it's just a bunch of random stuff. So some hoodies, some sweatshirts, and some sweatpants. In this drawer over here, I have all my pajamas. So I have my pajama shirts, my pajama pants, and then my soft pajama pants, which I literally love so much. Then over here I have all of my summer clothes. So I have my jean shorts, and then my like Sophie shorts, and my sweatpants shorts, I guess you would call them. In this drawer, I'm not going to open it, but it's just my like bra, underwear, and socks. And then in this drawer is all my sports bras. So I have my sports bras, my Nike Pros, and then some more workout shirts back there. Moving over here, I have my little ladder. This ladder is from Amazon. I got this idea from Canon, so shout out to her. This is all credit to her. This is actually the same one, I believe, that she has, because I got it off of the link that she put in her room tour video. So just want to say that I got this idea from her, and credit to her. I'll have her channel linked down below. But this is from Amazon, and then there's these little like shelves, and I put a lot of like cute little pieces on the shelves. So on the shelf right here, I have all my crystals. I love crystals so much. I have this little S, which I got from Marshall's. It's so cute. Actually, I think it might be from Home Goods. I think it's from Home Goods, and I love it. It's so cute. Then over here, I have these little pieces. So this is from Target. This is actually a coaster, but it's really cute, and I thought it just added a lot to my room. And then this over here is also from Target. I like how it has the phases of the moon on it. I think it's so cute. This thing right here, I don't really know what you would call it, but my grandpa made this for my mom, and she gave it to me, and I really like it, so I just left that there. Coming down to the shelf over here, I have this sign, which I believe is from Home Goods, and it just says kindness is everything. I really like the boho theme of this. And then I have these little clay rings that I made, and the little dish to go with it. I also made this. It's just a clay little heart that I made, so I have that as well. And then I have this moon, and it actually lights up. Let me see if I can get it to light up. I'm not sure if you guys can see well on camera, but it does light up, and then if you tap it, it's supposed to change, so that's cool as well. This is, I think, from Home Goods as well. Then I have this little candle right here. It's an opal candle, and even though I would never light it when it's on here, I think it's cute for design. I have this little jar here that I got from Target, and it's so cute, and I think it adds a lot to the little ladder. And then down here I have all my books. So these books I actually got recommended by my friend Isabella. She's so nice, and I literally love these books so much. I'll have them linked down below as well as her channel, but I really love them and think that you guys would love these too. It's all like good vibes and manifesting type of books as well. Then down there I just have a garbage can, and those little things are from Target that still have to go on my wall. Maybe one day I'll actually hang them up. Over here I have my desk. So this chair is from Amazon. I don't remember what it's called. If I could find it, I'll link it down below, but I did find it on Amazon. For my desk, I don't remember where it's from, but I have this little thing right here. This is from Target. It's like a pencil holder, but it's also a phone holder, which is really cool. I have this keychain, which I got from someone's Etsy, and then this candle, which is a Christmas candle, so I have to probably change that. Then I have these lights. I just think that adds a lot to my room. I have my little journal from Target's new Noted collection. I really like this journal. It just like matches the vibe in my room, I feel like. And then over here, I love this corner so much. So I have my homesick candle in the scent New Jersey. I really like this area. And then I just have my chair and all of my drawers. So for my drawers, it is kind of a mess, so I'm not going to show you all of them, but I just have all my notebooks and all my school stuff in here, and as well as in here, I believe. Yeah, so I have all my school stuff and like removable tape and everything like that. Then over here, I have this little mirror. This mirror is from Urban Outfitters. I really like it. It's like kind of like boho vibes, and I don't know, I really, really like it, so I'll definitely have that linked down below for you guys. Over here, I have my little mirror area. So I have my pictures behind it. These are not my pictures. They are from Etsy. If I could find the Etsy, I'll link it down below, but that's where they are from. Then I have my mirror, which is actually a jewelry cabinet, and it's from Amazon. And on top of it, I have these little leaves. I kind of just used removable tape and taped it to the mirror because I thought that that looked really cute and really vintage, if that makes sense. And then in here, I have my jewelry. So for my jewelry, there is organization, but kind of not. So I have like the Hannah Maloche Starlight collection. I have this that my mom got me for my birthday. I have some chains from Princess Polly and like other stuff. And then I have my jewelry down here. So those are like some earrings and some bracelets. And then I have some over here as well. It's really cool because it turns into a mirror, and this is again from Amazon. Then over here, I just have my laundry basket. I think this is from Target. And then over here, I have my vanity. This vanity is from Amazon, and I really like this vanity. So on top, I have this little candle. It's from Bath & Body Works. I'm not sure though because it was a gift, but I think that's what it was from. And then I have this little container right here that holds my scrunchies. I have my Chanel perfume right here that my grandma got me for Christmas. And then I have another candle and another diffuser right here. Then in this drawer, I just have all my makeup, which I'm not going to show because it's a mess. And then I also just have this bench that came with the vanity. In here, I have, I believe, nail polish. Let me just check. Yeah, so I have some nail polishes, and then over here in the other drawer, I have some scrunchies and like hair clips and everything like that. I just have my backpack. I think it looks kind of cute there, even though it should be closer to the clothing rack. Over here, I have my clothing rack. So this is probably one of my favorite parts of my room. I really like the clothing rack. So this is from Amazon, and then these pieces I kind of changed by the season. I really like these, and I also really like how the shoes look on here. There's usually boots there as well to kind of like fill it in. And then on top of the clothing rack, I did put some leaves because I thought it made it look more cute to match my mirror and everything like that. Then over here, I have this boho little picture. This is from either Amazon or Urban Outfitters. I don't remember exactly where it's from, but one of those two. We have my bed area. So this is probably one of also my favorite areas. So basically what I did was I used to have a Tesla collage kit on my wall, and I don't anymore because I use these pictures from Pinterest. I found these all over Pinterest. There's not like one specific board, but I really like how it turned out. I think it looks really cute. And then I have my bed area. So my bedding is from Urban Outfitters, as well as the pillow and the throw blanket. I really like it, and I'm so excited. I just love it. Over here, I have my little records and the record player like albums, and I'm so excited about them. I think it looks so cute. Then coming over here, I have this little like galaxy PC projector that I like to use, and then I do have some Squishmallows that my mom got me. I also have some bamboo that my mom's friend got me a couple years ago that I still have that I really like. And then I have this little stained glass piece that my grandpa made me. And then it's just on this nightstand over here. That is a new piece of bedding that I actually have to switch out because this is like very dirty, so I have to put that on my bed as well. Then I have my closet, which we're not going to open because it looks very, very bad right now. We have this area, so I have my LED lights, which I love, especially in purple. I think it's so cute and adds so much to my room. As you guys can see, I have more records on the wall. So I have Queen, and then I have the 2 Taylor Swift records that came with it. Really love those as well, and those are from Target. Up here, I have some like springy colors. So I have that little shelf, which is from Urban Outfitters. And then I have that candle and that plant. The plant is from Target, and I don't remember where the candle's from, but I think it's from Target. And then I have these plants over here. All these plants that you see are from Target. That is my mom's old piggy bank, and then that angel is also from my mom. Then I just have this big nightstand over here. So in here, I just have a lot of like my personal products and where I keep my camera stuff and everything like that. In this little drawer, I have where I keep my shirts. So I'll keep my long sleeve and my short sleeve shirts in here as well. I keep all my jeans, so I definitely need to clean this out, but I have all my jeans in here, and then in that drawer I have more jeans and more pants as well. But with all that being said, that's about it for this video. If you guys liked it, please be sure to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content from me. I hope you guys liked my room tour. If you did, please be sure to let me know down below in the comments. I love chatting with you all. Comment what you're most excited for during the spring. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.